Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Week 2, distance learning. I realize this is real hard for folks. It's not the same, and I know you didn't ask for this. So I'm trying to do my best, and I'm trying to help you get something out of this at the same time. All right. So our first line of business is make sure you're logging in to the hub. In order to do this, you need to go to the BPS login page. That's this page right here, and you can get there by clicking on this bit.ly that I have right here. Okay. Next item on the agenda is contact information. It's really important that you and I remain in contact. I have spoken and video chatted with a lot of you, and some of you are emailing me, and some of you are using Remind. That's great, but it's very, very important that you and I communicate frequently about what's going on, not only in school and your assignments, but also life, what's going on for you during this time. So please, please, please communicate with me. All right, this week is April 6th, and we're going to be doing a clustering activity. We're going to be doing a Jobs of the Future activity, and we're going to be doing a Flipgrid. Okay. I wrote you a letter over here, just basically saying that I'm going to send out lessons once a week, that I hope you're healthy, and that I miss you. Okay. These assignments will be due next Sunday, 4/12 at 5 p.m. at the latest. But if you do them today and get them all done today, that's fine too. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to show you what this looks like in Google Classrooms. So if you log into Google Classrooms, Base Life English, I like to click on classwork because then I can see all of the assignments. Okay. So I have the PowerPoint that I just showed you. I have the clustering activity that you're going to do. And here's what you're going to do for that. So last week, we did a brainstorm. Okay, I'm going to pull up my brainstorm here. Actually, I'm going to make this. Here's my brainstorm. Okay, this is just an example that I did of my brainstorm. I came up with these activities. I said these are interesting and these are excited. So I decided I'm going to write about dogs, okay, because I have a lot to say about dogs. So I'm going to go over to this clustering activity today, and I'm going to make a cluster about dogs, okay? So a cluster means that you're putting ideas into groups, okay? This is used to help you stay on topic when you're writing. Each group or cluster has ideas that are related to each other, and then you write about them, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write about dogs because that is the one that I chose from my brainstorm activity, okay? Now on a piece of paper, what you can do is you can draw a diagram that looks like this, okay? Just draw it on a piece of paper, okay? In the center, you're going to write your topic. Okay. Then you're going to go on and tell me some general ideas about that topic, and then more ideas about that topic as you continue. Okay. Once you are finished, I want you to just take a picture of it and email it to me. You can do this through Remind. You can do this through email. However you want to do it. You can drop it in the Google Classroom folder, I think. If not, don't do that. But I just want you to have an idea of the clusters of things you can write about. Now, if you're like me, you need to see an example, okay? So I did this example right here. I talked about getting a dog, okay? And then my next 4 ideas were responsibility, change of heart, love, and new experience. Then I went on to say more information about each one of those, okay? And this is what a cluster looks like, okay? You just have to write yours on a piece of paper, take a picture, and send it to me. That's it. That's what you got to do with that. All right, let's go back to Google Classroom. After you're done with your clustering, I have one article for you to read and then some questions that go with it. So this article is called The Best Jobs of the Future. And you go out to this link and you read it. Okay. And this job, or excuse me, this is a quiz that goes along with this. So this is a quiz from Google Classrooms. Okay, and that goes along with it. And then I have a Flipgrid that I want you to do. Okay, and this Flipgrid is private. Nobody else is going to see it but me. So please don't worry about being embarrassed or people commenting on your things, because I don't want you to be worried about that. All right, so this one's about making connections. After you've read the article, The Best Job Ever, I want you to tell me if there's a job or a person in that story who you can relate to and why you relate to them. So it's just a connection making thing. All right, so that is all I have in there for this week that you have to do for me. Please, please, please keep up with your other classes. Let me know if you need anything from me. Keep in communication, respond to my emails, respond to my remind texts. Just keep communicating with me. That's super important. All right, I hope you're well. We'll talk soon.